It's a big one.
Tighten your drag a little bit.
Good morning people, welcome back to another video. I am here with Ashley. Hello Ash.
Hey, morning.
I'm going to take the boat out in Townsville. We are going to go fishing. It is about 6 o'clock in the morning right now. Take this bad boy out. It's my trusted coffee cup. Beautiful day. Hopefully we catch something and can have some fish and chips by this afternoon. Alright, let's get it. It's been a while actually since I've been out on the boat, so looking forward to this. Welcome back people, we are now on the boat. We are now on the boat. Nice and easy today. The boat ramp wasn't even that busy because everybody is already out. Ash's got his lucky hat on. So that's Magnetic Island over there. Oh, no, that's not Maggie. Maggie is over there. Magnetic Island is over there. On my 2 cups of coffee in here. Let's go catch some fish. It's a little bit choppy. How glassy that is. Beautiful. Right now we're going out to look for a spot so we'll catch some fish. Woo.
I'll just throw it forward. I'm good. And we're going to catch fish today.
Okay people, we made it to our destination. We are going to catch some fish. Coffee. Now we play the waiting game, guys. No one out here too. Alright, we've got a bite people. First bite of the day. Ooh, nice one.
Oh, it's a grunter. Listen to him.
Grunter.
He grunts. Listen.
Alright, so too small, chucking it back in.
Oh, yes.
It's a big one.
Tighten your drag a little bit. I'm on 2. And I'm stuck in the thing. It's stuck here, man. Whoa. Come. Whoa, stingray. Holy cow, big stingray.
You can't take that out. You go for it.
Plus now 1,298. Save up to Windows 11 computer.
Oh yeah, look at that. We are eating fish and chips today, people. Oh, careful, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it. Nice, Ash.
500.
Hey, half a meter.
Yeah, half a meter.
Gee. Alright, we're eating fish and chips. Oh, it's a shark. It's a reef shark.
Yeah, and I got someone's light.
Sorry, Sharky. Back in he goes. Alright, getting heaps of action here, people.
Bring him this way, bring him this way. Oh, look.
Oh yeah. Come on, people.
I'll give you a glove.
Hey.
I'll give you a glove. You on another, you on again, you on again.
Hey.
You on the yellow man. Oh. Leave that one, don't want that one. Oh, jumpers.
Hey. Another one.
How good is it? Wow, we got heavy fish today, Jesse.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Two big boys.
In the back.
500. There's another one bad boys.
Come on, nearly threw it back.
We may need a bigger cooler, people. Got another one. This one's a bit smaller though. Not sure what that is, but I'm gonna chuck it back in. Got another one.
Oh, it's a grunter too.
Oh, it's a grunter.
Golden trevally. They get very big. This one's small.
Small.
Okay.
Cool, cool. We've been approached by the fisheries. Come and check the sizes of the fish.
All right, thank you. I'll get them
Yep,
today.
we need to go and get them sorted out. But
Not a
yeah,
problem,
so
thanks.
you just move into within half an nautical mile.
Yep, I'll move in
Follow
there.
the coastline to get home.
Okay.
Cool, cool.
Tide is in, so it should be fine.
Yeah, you should be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Excellent.
thank you.
Thank you.
So there's no fine associated. It just means that you go on record to say that you spoke to Tilly.
Alright,
Okay.
awesome. Thanks. See
Yeah,
ya.
I've got a friend who works for you guys, so she tells me all about it.
There they go.
Now look at that, hey? Wow, isn't that good? Wait, hold on. Good catch. Nice size, eh?
Yeah, man. Beautiful sauce. Clean these bad boys before we go back. Don't want any crooks to grab it.
Yeah, we had Crocodile Creek.
Okay, people, that basically finishes it. We're heading home now. We did really well.
Good day for you. You caught quite a few. And a few got away too.
Yeah, we lost some fish. We dropped some fish away. It's a really good day. So let's go home and make some fish and chips. Look how nice and blue the water is. It's beautiful. Oh yeah. Not a boat in sight. Got the whole ocean to ourselves at the moment. Looking forward to making some fish and chips tonight to celebrate a successful day of fishing. Down and down with a cold, pure blonde apple cider. 60% less sugar. Oh yeah. Alright people, here's our catch of the day. 1 grunter and 2 beach salmon. I'm going to fillet them now and get them ready to, let's do some fish and chips, hey? Now, I haven't filleted fish in a long time, so let's see if I still know how to do this. I believe is you cut through the ears, behind the ears I mean. There you go, like so. Nice, nice, nice. And from there, you kind of just go with the flow of the knife, eh? Obviously I'm going to butcher this because I haven't done this in a long time. I'm going to do it regardless because I want some fish and chips, man. And I don't think Cleo knows how to eat fish with bone in. One thing I am looking forward to is the fish head. So the guys don't actually eat fish head, but your boy sure does. Really, you just want to use a really sharp knife. Try and stick to the bone as you can without sacrificing too much of the meat. Now I am just doing this so you can use the fillets for crumbed fish, but your boy is eating the whole thing, so thank you fish for the food, and in turn saying thank you, going to eat. There you go, nice fillets. Yeah. See that? Nice fillet. Now you do have to tidy it up because there are some bones in here. Cool. Okay people, fish has been filleted. I'm just gonna clean it up. I will be using all of this by the way. I'll make some maybe some coconut soup stew. We'll fry it up, we'll see. But I love fish head, so the guys are not gonna eat fish head, so I will be eating all of it by myself. Okay, this is fruits of today's labor.
Including the chips.
Fish and chips. Oh, thanks for cooking, Lynn.
You're welcome.
So that's beach salmon and that's grunto.
Beach salmon. Ooh, much nicer fish.
What's the verdict? Which one's
Beach salmon is beautiful.
The grunto is good too. Let me try it. Let's see. Let me try the one that they say is the best. It's the
beach salmon?
Try it without sauce.
Eat some salsa.
Weird.
Fish.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Does it taste fresh?
Fresh. Okay, I'll try the grunto now.
Good job, no.
Thanks.
They're both really nice. But the beach salmon is more flaky. Because the other one's a bit more like the meat's not. Yeah. It's just
Chewier?
not- yeah, a little bit chewier, yeah.
What are you making?
The fish heads.
Oh, the fish.
YouTube. Give it a nice kick.
Wie ist das Basketball?
It's full actually. It's strong one.
That's good.
Yes.
Garlic powder. Two. Some rosemary. Two. I don't know. This mixed herb is nice. Basil. Mixed herb. And this dry thing I like. Let's go 3, huh? 2, 3. Basil. Smells nice. 1, 2. Onion powder.
The mixed herb would have salt in it already.
Yeah, I'll put a little bit. It's not enough. Now, we need a wet ingredient to combine everything. That's the premix, eh? Yeah. Between the gills. know, I didn't know fish was filleted until I left the islands.
What did you think it was?
Hey?
What did you think it was?
I just always thought you eat fish whole.
Because you always had whole fish, or you
Yeah.
never had filleted fish before you left?
Yeah, no, I never had filleted fish. Would have made life easier. I've checked a few times on those. Cool. Now we'll put down this bit. Let's get to the frying, huh? Now the fish is. Smells so nice.
Good. Nice. Nice sauce. Garnish.
Yeah, there's more here. Just for the bones, there might be some stray bones.
It's good with the rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice, eh? Meat is soft.
Nothing of the fish went to waste. All of it is getting eaten.
Very good.
How is it, Ash?
Beautiful, spicy, nice.
Well, gonna go and enjoy our meal. Try. Really good.
The best part is the fish eyes. You just can't get it down. Try to swallow it.
It's stuck in your throat.
I know.
See it?
See you.
When I was younger in the island, we used to fight over the eyes. You know, it takes skill to eat fish with bone in.
Oh, look at all that meat. Beautiful. Is this the fish you caught?
Yep, that's the salmon, beach salmon. Beach salmon's good, man.
The taste of beach. So good, making my eye cheer. Excuse me, you just doing our video. And she's not talking to me, she's talking to the dog. The spice and Mackie made really good.
Well, I basically found everything in Lynn's cupboard and threw it all in there.
So good, the meat is soft, it's not chewy.
Caught this, we were fishing yesterday in between Magnetic Island and Ross River.
Don't give us secrets away. People in Townsville don't tell you where they catch fish, they just say, look at the fish I caught.
Is it?
And you ask them, oh, where? Where? This is gonna be me in 2024. I'm gonna lose so much weight, you're gonna say, whoa, look at these skeletons. And I'm gonna come walking down the road. Say, wow, Ash, you look good. Thank you.
I'm gonna hold you to that, Ash.
Yeah, I'm holding it already.
Ready for the gross part?
Really good.
What's the gross part?
You suck the meat off the bones.
I'm not that gross.
That's how you get it. You gotta suck that meat off it, Ash.
Yeah, someone's gonna prick me. I'm doing a good job pulling it off. Oh, it's so good, man. Oh, thank goodness I brought Jessie. Because I never catch fish, so apparently. But apparently, Jessie came along and apparently, we got fish apparently.
Oh, look at that kid. Look at that kid. He's so funny.
Because apparently you're spinning around, and apparently every time you get dizzy.
In Ethiopia, this is how the fish. Honestly, I'll tell you a true story, and you can ask Gareth February. One day we went fishing, Rainbow Beach, and I caught a dead fish. Actually caught it on the hook. How's that possible?
How?
I don't know. I'm asking you. I'm probably the only one in the world who caught a dead fish like this and hooked it. Shows what kind of good fisherman I am.
Yep.
Anyone can catch a live fish. That's the easy part. Catch something like this.
What'd you do with it?
I made a barbecue.
Fed it to Gary.
I'm sorry, but I just don't eat the gills. Maybe you do, but I don't eat
Oh, that's
gills.
the best part.
No.
Yeah, man.
You eat the gills?
Anything left is going to be burned.
That's not supposed to be eaten.
Yeah. I just describe it. It tastes like marrow.
Maybe I'll taste it. Since you say so. No. No gills for me. There's enough fish to go around to want to still eat the gills. It's crazy. This was one of the best lunches so far.
Oh, very good. Okay. We should do more of this.
Fishing, yes.
Catch and fish. Catch and eat.
But if it wasn't for the fisheries, we would still be fishing. But they pulled us up, the fisheries.
Whoa. That's so much.
Checked our gear, checked everything, and then said, oh no, your flare's out of date by 2 weeks,
Not even that
3
long.
weeks.
Yeah. Kicked us off the spot.
It kicked us off the strike zone. So we had to go to the no zone.
Yeah.
And then nothing happened there, and we just packed up and came home.
Stretch.
We'll definitely do it again.
Very good.
But there are some people that eat everything on the fish too.
Yeah.
You know, I mean,
You're looking at it.
thank you very much for visiting the Jesse's channel.
Thank you,
And,
Ash, for taking us out yesterday. That was Ash's
you're
boat.
welcome. You're welcome. We decided to go out and we're going out again some other time and see what else we can catch.
If you guys want to see more of this, let me know in the comment. We'll post more. But thanks for watching another video from Ashi and myself. Sayonara.
Cheers.